Good morning, students. Today we will continue the problems of exercise 5.5. In the previous video, we have done some problems from this exercise. We will see some more questions from this exercise. So let us see question number 6, first part. Exercise 5.5, question number 6, first part. Let y is equal to x sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Y is equal to x sin x upon 1 plus cos x. We have supposed this expression is equal to y. Write differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So left side dy by dx is equal to differentiate right side, we have to use quotient rule. Quotient rule, what is the quotient rule? We have to take square of the denominator 1 plus cos x whole square, square of the denominator. Then write here denominator into derivative of numerator. Derivative of numerator x sin x minus numerator x sin x into d by dx of denominator. So denominator is square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. 1 plus cos x. How we will differentiate this one? X sin x. To differentiate x sin x, we have to use product rule. It is the product of two functions, x and sin x. So we have to use here product rule. What is product rule? First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So here x is first function, sin x is second function. Right, first function means x into derivative of second function, sin x. X into dy dx of sin x plus sin x into derivative of x. We have used here product rule. Minus x sin x. What is derivative of 1 plus cos x? 1 is constant, derivative of constant is 0, and cos x derivative is minus sin x. So it is 0 minus sin x whole upon 1 plus cos x square. Next step, 1 plus cos x into d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x. Derivative of x is 1. Sin x d by dx of x is 1. So sin x into 1, sin x. Minus into minus plus x sin x into sin x. X sin square x whole upon 1 plus cos x whole square. 1 plus cos x whole square. Now we have to simplify it more. One plus cos x cos x plus sin x plus x sin square x, we can write it 1 minus cos square x. Write sin square x as 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Next step, 1 plus cos x, x cos x plus sin x plus x, factorize it. In one bracket 1 plus cos x, in other bracket 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos square x, we can factorize it, a plus b into a minus b whole upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Now see here, we can take 1 plus cos x common. 1 plus cos x common. So take 1 plus cos x common. What we can get? X cos x plus sin x. X cos x plus sin x. And here plus 1 plus x cos x is common. So x into 1. X minus x cos x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Take 1 plus cos x common. We can get x cos x plus sin x, and here x into 1 minus cos x. So multiply it, x1 into 1x minus x cos x. X cos x minus x cos x. And here 1 plus cos x whole square, we can cancel 1. So we can get x plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. X plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. This is the final derivative. Question number 6, first part. Next question, see question number 7 first. Question number 7, first part. Again we will take, let y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c whole upon sin x plus x to the power n into cos x. X to the power n into cos x. Differentiating with respect to x. So we will write dy by dx. How we will differentiate it? We can use here quotient rule. Here quotient rule. And here product rule. X to the power n into cos x. It is the product of two functions. So we can apply here product rule and here quotient rule. But we can simplify this first term, dividing each term by sin x. So let us simplify it first. A cos x upon sin x, it will be cot x, plus b sin x upon sin x cancel b, plus c upon sin x, and 1 upon sin is cosec. So c into cosec x. Cos by sin, cot, sin cancel b, c into 1 upon sin, cosec x, plus x to the power n cos x. Now differentiate. So dy by dx, what is the derivative of cot x? Cot x derivative is minus cosec square x. So it will be minus a cosec square x. This is constant b, so derivative will be 0. Cosec x derivative, c is constant, cosec x derivative is minus cosec x cot x. Cosec x derivative is minus cosec x cot x, and c is constant, so c into cosec x cot x plus, now we have to differentiate this part. So this one first function, it is second function. So use product rule here. X to the power n into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus second term cos x into derivative of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1. So minus a cosec square x minus c cosec x cot x minus x to the power n sin x plus n into x to the power n minus 1 cos x. N into x to the power n minus 1 cos. So this is the derivative. It is question number 7, first part. Now see question number 7, second part. Question number 7, second part. Let y is equal to under root sec x plus tan x upon sec x minus tan x. Y is equal to under root sec x plus tan x upon sec x minus tan x. Firstly, we will simplify it. Firstly, we have to simplify. How we can simplify it? Sec x plus tan x upon sec x minus tan x. Multiply it by under root multiply both numerator and denominator by under root sec x plus tan x and divide it also. Sec x minus sec x plus tan. Multiplying numerator and denominator by under root sec x plus tan x. So when we will multiply these two brackets, it will be sec x plus tan x whole square. Sec x plus tan x whole square upon, here we can apply a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square. So sec square x minus tan square x. A square sec square x minus tan square. We know that sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. It is identity. Sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. And take the square root of this. So sec x plus tan. Y is equal to sec x plus tan x. And denominator is equal to 1. Now differentiate it. dy by dx. dy by dx of sec x and dy by dx of tan x. So what is derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. And tan x derivative sec square x. So it is sec x into tan x. Tan x derivative is sec square x. We can take sec x common from both. So taking sec x common, we can write tan x plus sec x. So take sec x common. So we can get sec x plus tan. So this is the derivative of under root sec x plus tan x upon sec x minus tan. It was question number 7, second part. Now we will see question number 8 and 9. So first we see question number 8. Question number 8. Y is equal to 2 minus 3 cos x upon sin x. We have to find dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. See how we will do. Separate it. Write it 2 by sin x minus 3 cos x by sin. We can also apply quotient rule here to differentiate it. So 2 into 1 upon sin x, 2 into cosec x, cos upon sin, minus 3 cot x. Now differentiate it. dy by dx. What is derivative of cosec x? Minus cosec x into cot x. 3. And derivative of cot x. What is derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. So it will be plus cosec square x. Differentiation is over. Now we have to find this derivative at the point x is equal to pi by 4. So in place of x we have to put pi by 4. So dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. So minus 2 cosec pi by 4 into cot pi by 4 plus 3 cosec square pi by 4. In place of x we have to put pi by 4. What is the value of cosec pi by 4? Root 2. Value of cosec pi by 4 is root 2. And cot pi by 4 is 1. Plus 3 cosec pi by 4 root 2. So root 2 square. Root 2 square. Minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 square is 2. 2 into 3, 6. So minus 2 root 2 plus 6. This is answer. dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4 is minus 2 root 2 plus 6. So firstly differentiate it. After differentiation at the place of x put pi by 4. And the last question, question number 9. Question number 9. It is given y is equal to sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. We have to find dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 6. So firstly we have to differentiate. Firstly simplify it to differentiate it. Use a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So we will write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. It is 1. And what is this one? It is sin x. Since sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So after simplification we are getting y is equal to 1 plus sin x. Now differentiate it. Dy by dx, differentiation of 1 is 0. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 6. At x is equal to pi by 6. So in place of x put pi by 6. So it is cos pi by 6 cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So exercise 5.5 is completed. Do the remaining questions yourself. If any doubt you can ask. In the next video we will start 5.6. What is the chain rule? Chain rule to differentiate the functions. So do the remaining questions from exercise 5.5. Okay, thank you class.